Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. I live in Neenah, Wisconsin. I have been a dental hygienist for almost 2 years now, coming up in this July. During those 2 years, I have only worked at the same private practice in Menasha. So far, I'm really loving it, and I really enjoy working there. For a little bit about me is for fun. I like to hike a lot, do biking, different activities outside with my two dogs, Cash and Hawk. They are both mini Australian Shepherds. So we have a lot of fun together, and they're loving me being home right now during the quarantine phase that we're in. Another exciting thing is that I just bought a house as well, and we've been doing a lot of different projects, yard work, that type of thing, so that's been keeping me busy as well. I will be graduating from with my bachelor's degree from Mankato here, hopefully in fall of 2020. I have some classes I'll be taking in the summer and then the fall, and then hopefully if everything goes to plan, I'll be graduating in December. So for the rule of the netiquette that was important to me, I chose rule number 2: adhere to the same standards of behavior online that you that you follow in real life. This one I felt was important because I was always brought up saying treat others how you would like to be treated. So I don't think that those ethics and morals and standards should change just because you're online. One of the quotes from the netiquette rule number 2 was, "In cyberspace, the chances of getting caught sometimes seem slim, and perhaps because people sometimes forget that there's a human being on the other side of the computer. Some people think that a lower standard of ethics or personal behavior is acceptable in cyberspace." I think a lot of people can relate to this, especially in this social media era, and even between emails, it's hard to decipher what people are meaning with their tone, and sometimes it can come off in a bad and negative way, just kind of hiding behind your computer and not really having those same ethics and morals that we should be following. And then finally, for the type of dental hygiene education I am interested in would be the clinical side of education. I had a great experience during my clinicals. I think that a hands-on learning experience is most effective, and I would like to be a part of that in helping educating students someday on the clinical side of dental hygiene as well.